Google Antigravity, a great alternative to Cursor, and you can run this now freely. It has its own AI-powered editor, background agents, code-based understanding. Currently, it's $0 per month, having access to Gemini 3 Pro, Claude Sonnet 4.5, GPT OSS. So now we are going to download this and install this and test how this is better than Cursor, or is it worst? That's exactly what we're going to see today. Let's get started. Go to antigravity.google. There you can download. I'm going to download. Then it opens up like this. Welcome to Antigravity. Clicking next. Then I want to import from Cursor. So choosing Cursor, choosing dark mode, then clicking next. Agent assisted development, agent driven development, review driven development, and custom configuration. For now, I'm going to go with the agent assisted auto execution policy. So every commands will be run automatically. Then review policy, agent decides. But in this option, I'm going to say always proceed. So that automatically changed that to custom configuration and clicking next. Then keeping everything as same as normal, then logging into Google. So once after you log in, yes, I agreed to allow Google to collect and use my interactions data. I'm not going to tick that. So here is Antigravity. So all the settings copied from Cursor, and you can see the interface here. It's similar to Cursor. So I can even open an application. You got two modes here. One is planning mode, then the fast mode. So I'm going to keep as fast mode, and I'm going to use Gemini 3 Pro High, the most advanced model right now. So this is the default editor, and I can also switch this to agent manager mode. So open agent manager. So the same setup, same code, but you'll have only chat interface. So I can start a new conversation, and here it is. So in this, I'm going to use a new workspace or playground. Just say develop a Twitter-like application with database. The UI need to look the same. So clicking send. So it's automatically writing the code for me, auto approving. Meanwhile, I'm going to create a new conversation with a new playground, and I can see this is running in the background, the Twitter app. So here I'm going to say create a finance tracking app and clicking send. So now both are running. On the left hand side, you can see inboxes. So whenever you need to approve anything, it'll come automatically like this. I can just run. Then if I want to start a new conversation, that's here. If I want to quickly prototype anything, playground is here. And I can even open multiple applications at the same time. So open workspace. So now I added another workspace to this, and I can even ask any task to do from here. So you can see automatically the application is chosen, and I can just say, tell me what application is this and how to get started. And that'll do it task. So let's go back to finance tracking app. So if I want to open it, I can click open it on the right hand side. So this is the default editor mode. On the right hand side, you can see all the steps taking place, same like Cursor. So it's an exact duplication of Cursor. So at the bottom of the chat, I can see changes overview, terminal, one background process, and then artifacts. So I feel like if we merge Windsurf and Cursor together, and that is Antigravity. You got option for new conversation, past conversation, reverting that. The speed at which the application got created is also quick. We are using the fast version. So Agent Manager is a quick overview of all of your projects in one place. Okay, the finance tracking app is now ready. You can see. Now I'm going to click this URL, and here is the application. That is really nice. Looks really good. Let's see if we can add any transaction. I'm going to buy a computer for 10,000. Add transaction, and I can see a computer 10,000 automatically got added. And totally you can see the income and the expense directly in the interface. So I really like the look and feel of it. I can even ask it to modify this further. Let's see if it can run terminal commands to access my terminal. Use GH and publish this application to GitHub. Make sure not to store any secrets. Seems like the model quota limit exceeded. Let's try a different model. Claude 4.5 thinking and redo. Clicking send. So now it's thinking. So I really like the fact that all these models are free to use now, and it's running git init. I'm going to accept. So it's adding all the required files and pushing that to GitHub. And finally, you got the code here. That is really nice. Everything done within this agent manager. Next, let's see the progress for the Twitter app. So here you can see It's expecting my approval, and it's asking me to preview in the browser. So clicking setup, launching the browser, and this is a browser which is built in with Antigravity, and I really like this. Install the extension, adding to Chrome, add extension. Now it's added, and I can see it's automatically testing the application by visiting the application, capturing screenshots, understanding if there are any errors, and here is the automated testing, what it did. So here's a screenshot taken as a video. So I can add comment here, submit that comment, fix the UI, clicking submit, and that information will be passed here. A glow around the browser means it's controlling this browser. As you can see, it's a clear replica of Twitter, but the only issue is that there is a UI above all these tweets. So if this gets moved to the right hand side, then it's the exact duplicate of Twitter. That's what it's trying to fix here. As you can see here, it's processing further. Meanwhile, let's see the options here. Open a new tab that is like a browser integrated. Move your work into this folder. Open browser preview, toggle terminal, open editor, follow along with the agent. So also let's see the terminal. The terminal is loading, and it's same like other terminal. You can see all the files and execute code. Let's check the open browser preview. And here's the browser preview. It's trying to fix the error here. Move your work into a folder. Let's click that. And I can choose a folder. Choosing a folder and clicking open. And the content, that's the content from the playground, will be moved to that particular folder. So playground is nothing but a quick area to prototype our application. I really like this idea of playground. So instantly you can prototype any application without thinking about which folder I should keep the code. Directly focus on development. And once you're happy, move that playground code to any folder of your choice. Same like what I have done just before. And clicking on the new tab will automatically open this new tab, and I can open any file if I want to view or review any file. One thing to note is that when using Claude 4.5, sometimes the agent execution fails, but eventually it fixes itself. There you go. Our new Twitter is ready with the same layout. And that is really nice. Just posted a test account. Agent running and controls this page. And overall, I really like this. The integration is more smoother, and automatic review of the page is unique. It automatically opens the browser, takes screenshot, and then identify if any error is there or not. And same as cursor, you got the approve option as well. So all code written, and I can accept changes. And even if I want to modify anything, I can just select all. The same shortcode works. I can choose the model of my choice and say review. And it can automatically do the task. I'm super impressed, and I'm definitely going to use this regularly and to see how it's going to make my work quicker. Do try and let me know in the comments below what you think about this. Considering you already like Antigravity, I also create another video which is about Cursor 2.0. Just that you can compare this with Cursor. And I can see very similar features, and I have tested the latest version as well. So I'll put the link in here, and I highly recommend for you to watch, and I will see you there.